All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello everyone, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. You have already seen today's topic from the thumbnail or from the title. There will be peace if you stay in peace. We all want peace, isn't it? Here in this earth, when we witness any kinds of cruelty, our hearts feel the pain and want peace. We, the majority of people, love peace, want to stay in peace, hope that one day we will live in peace. Also, in our daily lives, there are arguments, misunderstandings. We feel frustrated. We all are looking for peace and we hope one day we will get it. But my dear, how many of us try to stay in peace? How many of us try to stop an argument by our intelligence or by accepting our faults? Is it difficult to do so? Generally, we do completely opposite of it. We also join in these arguments. Thus, the situation becomes chaos, which disturbs our mind. In the depth of our hearts, we all want peace. Still, we do not take any steps to stop it. Sometimes we don't know what should be done. Sometimes it's our ego which blocks our action to end the argument. Such ego is baseless. We can easily overcome it if we want. With the increasing arguments, our anger also increases. Arguments always increase the heat. We all know that anger is our enemy, which never allows us to stay in peace. We lose control because of anger. Knowing the fact why we allow anger to take control, you may ask what to do then? How to control anger? I would suggest you to maintain a distance from any arguments. The person who is argued with you is now in their anger zone. Wait for some time. When the person will calm down, then you can talk to him or her about the matter. Before that, whatever you will say, the person will not understand. This is first point. Second is, whenever you try to explain something to someone, if he or she argues continuously, often, most of the time, your polite tone can become harsh and can make the whole situation worse than before. So, please avoid any argument and only try to talk to the person when he or she will calm down. The third point is very important. What will you do when you get angry? This is impossible that in your lifetime you will never get angry. Whenever you will feel angry, just start counting backwards from 100 to 0 and focus on your breathing. You will calm down eventually. Yes, this works, my friend. You can repeat the process if you want, but if you do it for one time, I think it will be enough. Neither anger nor ego does any good to anyone. You love peace, right? We all love peace. So let's start from ourselves. If we can make our surroundings peaceful, then this earth will be better than before. Just imagine, if we all start this, then we all will stay in peace. Now you can say, not everyone will follow this. My friend, there are more good people than bad people in this earth, but the issue is they don't take any steps. Those negative people don't follow this. They don't even watch my video, or they will not visit my channel after knowing the topic. But you are a good person. That's why you are here. Start with yourself, my friend. We, good people, can save this earth this way. We have to increase the vibrations of this earth by doing some good stuffs. I have told you before to focus on your soul purpose. If you have not watched that video, then please watch it after this video. The link is in the description. Always remember, my friend, there will be peace if you stay in peace. So, start with yourself. Why wait for others to start it when you have the key to start? Thank you all for joining me. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy. Be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.